It's like on every single one of my Amazons, it's my credit card, or even better, you can get an authorized user card with their name on it, but you don't have to. If you're struggling to get sales, that's like what we're here for. We're here to help you make more money. So feel free just to give your update, and we're very friendly guys.
It's been going good, bro. I'm at like, I did like 50 orders on one Amazon account. Nothing. How's everybody's week been going so far?
Yo, hello.
What's good,
You?
Ronnie? What's good? What's good?
What's up, man?
I've been all right. How about you?
Great.
Yeah, you've been busy, right?
Yep.
Grinding?
What?
What's up, Grady? I believe Noyon's going to be joining just to give some updates.
Yeah, I haven't
But
been
long
in
long
this.
story short, like yeah, every bug you guys have, just report. They're actively working on them right now, every single one of them. So
I haven't been in a meeting in so long.
I know this has been a long time.
Yeah.
How's everything been for you and you're on?
Great.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're at 20 accounts.
Awesome, man.
Yep.
Let's freaking go.
Oh, yeah.
Goodness gracious. You guys can help me out a lot today.
Yeah.
I'll wait a few more minutes for more people to join. Honestly though, if anyone would like to go, again, my name is Jonathan. Been with Ecom Sniper for close to 2 years now. And yeah, I'm me, Theo, Ronnie, we're here to help you guys make more money. So like any questions you got, you can just ask them and we'll do our very best to help you, especially new guys who are newer to the software. If it's just your first week or first month or first few months, here to help you out, help you with any confusion and just help you take the high leverage steps to get the most out of this software. So whoever wants to go, you can just raise your hand or just start speaking and we'll just go from there.
Hey Jonathan, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing, Rahil?
Yeah, all good, thanks, man. How you?
All right, man. Thank you for asking.
Nice one, nice one. I think yeah, the main thing I did message you about it anyway, to be fair,
Yeah.
but it was just mainly just about the Amazon creation because I think I'm on my 15th now and I'm starting to feel I got one ban
Yeah.
recently. So I
So
think
so
yeah,
the first big thing was you're gonna start doing the variations of the name and address, right? See how that
yeah,
goes.
that's what I'm planning on doing.
And
Um,
and listen, you can always use like a mother's or father's name or a relative's name as well. That's what I do. And that pretty much, if you can imagine that, you can get a lot of accounts that way.
but then if I have used my mum and dad's name, would I have to then use their card for the first order, right?
No, you don't. That's the thing. Like it's like on every single one of my Amazons, it's my credit card, or even better, you can get an authorized user card with their name on it, but you don't have to. And then you can just make it with a variation of their name or something like that. And then
So
you can even use their passport to verify. Yeah.
All
I got
right,
a
I thought
question surrounding that actually. So it's like I have a 16-year aged eBay account
Yeah.
or like 10, 16 years, whatever it is. And but it's in somebody else's name with all of their information. I can't change anything on it, right? I'd have to stay in their name under
I,
their
I
stuff.
I would reach out to Marty.
Hmm.
My best guess is you probably would want to keep it the same.
Hmm.
That being said, if you were gonna change it, you'd like it to be a 16-year-old aged account. But I
Yeah,
still would
yeah.
expect that to trigger some sort of review.
Hmm.
But I could see it going either way. I won't lie.
Yeah. So I'm like, I'm just, they don't want to get involved. And they're like, oh, I don't really want to do anything. But I'm
Yeah,
like, you know?
just give Marty a quick message. He'll let you know kind of from his experience. My
Yeah.
guess is you want to keep it the same. That's just the cleanest. Yeah.
No, I already figured that. I'm like, I don't even think I want to touch it.
Yeah.
You know?
So going back to Rahil, um, where were we at? What were you asking?
yeah, no, I think my main question was just so the card doesn't actually have to match the name on the account.
From what I remember, no, it does not. Just what matters for the card is the billing address zip code needs to match whatever you put in as the billing address for your
Okay,
Amazon. That zip code needs to match.
okay, yeah,
So
yeah, cool. So you
yeah,
basically
like I use my father's ID, my mother's ID. Suddenly you can get a lot more accounts like that. Yeah.
okay, yeah, yeah, cool. So then
And
basically you just make a variation of the address with
yeah, variation
with the
of the address,
billing address.
variation of the name is how I was taught. And I don't know if you can go past 15 on with one ID if you do that. I believe Caleb did more than 15 with one passport. So I think if the variations might help, but I haven't actually, I think I'm at 15 right now with just my ID that have been verified.
Ah,
But
okay,
then I have another
cool.
15 that have been verified by my dad, so
Mm. Okay, yeah, yeah, cool. So you basically, so you keep the home address the same, right? It's for delivery, but then you change the billing address
exactly.
and make
Yeah.
a variation of that.
Or no,
And
like you would just make it all one new address basically. Like just the new address on that account, the billing address, which is the one main address, you'll just make that your home address with a variation.
okay, yeah, yeah. So you'd keep that. So the home address, well, let's say it's the first line, you'd use that for the delivery and the billing address.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Cool. Yeah. No, I just thought always that the card had to match they did like a check on the card to match what the name of the account is under.
Yeah,
But
and they check that the zip code matches. That's what they check. Yeah.
yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah,
Oh,
awesome.
cool. Yeah. I'll give that a go. See how that
Yeah,
works.
and you're at the point where, let's say like 15 Amazons, that you really can become more creative, try different things. It kind of becomes almost like an art form at that point. Because that, it's a lot of accounts. So yeah.
Yeah. For sure. For sure. Okay. Cool.
Great, great. Do you have any other questions or was I able to help a bit?
Nah. Yeah. That's the main one. Cheers.
Yeah, yeah, of course. Feel free to chime in if you got anything else you wanted to add. Great, great. Who else wants to go? I got someone in the chat asking like if I caught an MC999 using a passport, is that one dead to use? Yeah, typically if you get banned with one passport, you don't want to use that passport for another account. It'll probably get linked by eBay and then that new account will also get suspended. So the floor is open for anyone who wants to go. Again, if you got any questions, if you're new, if you're struggling to get sales, that's like what we're here for. We're here to help you make more money. So feel free just to give your update and we're very friendly guys. We don't bite. So awesome. We got some hands raised. I'll go to David. Nice to meet you, David.
1 second. Wait, Jonathan, reach out to me after the meeting. I might have found a way to do unlimited orders on Amazon accounts. That's
Really?
just one thing. So yeah, we'll
Okay.
see. We'll see. I'm still testing it, but yeah,
Okay.
so far it's been going good, bro. I'm at like, dude, I did like 50 orders on one Amazon account. Nothing.
Okay,
Fine.
my
It was
goodness.
fine the next day.
All right, let's talk
But
about that.
we'll talk about that
What
later.
the heck, man?
All right.
That's out of nowhere. So, goodness gracious. David, what's good, man?
It's going good. I'm I'm looking into creating another eBay account just to warm up, and this is going to be like two questions. First one is, I think it was Boss Mentee, but how do you warm up the second eBay account? I remember it was something like you start as a buyer account, like, and then you search around, maybe buy a couple things, and then do a personal seller, and then turn it into a business, something like that. Just
Yeah.
one clarification.
So I'm actively doing that right now. Basically, you start as a buyer account, you buy several items for like the first month, and then you start to sell things you got around the house. They ask for some verification, you verify your information, and then you would typically convert to a business account. And once that account has been solid for 1 or 2 months, then you're typically good to move it to like a static IP and then start drop shipping.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's kind of one new way. That's the new way that people have been doing it. The old way was to, just make an LLC and then just make a seller account on a computer. It's just a lot of people were starting to get suspended with that method. They just seem to have high scrutiny for seller accounts. So the way people have gotten around that is just to start as a buyer and warm up as a buyer because they have lower scrutiny for buyer accounts, right? And of course, if like you have family members that have eBay accounts or friends, those are always like low hanging fruit if you can get those. So like my first two, new accounts were just two accounts that my father had. I just repurposed them for my business.
Okay.
Yeah, awesome.
And for the second account,
Yeah.
um, my household does have two internets, is like whole story, but if I have two internets, could I just use the second internet and I don't really need to worry about the static IP if I have another laptop?
That's interesting. So if you have a second Wi-Fi connection, I assume that that would be a new IP. And as long as that's a new IP network, like a new, like if you go to IP Burger, what is my IP address and it's a new IP, you probably are better off than just making it on the same home address, but that's very interesting. I don't know if they can still geolocate you if you're protected. Um,
Okay.
yeah, I would double check. Honestly, if I had the situation, I would DM Marty. I would ask him about that. I
Okay.
I would try it. I would try it though. Yeah. I think if it provides a meaningful IP separation, it's good. Yeah.
All right. I'll ask Marty too. Thank
Yeah,
you.
exactly. Of course.